are. Oh, putting on another season with the Grav dolls. So, we're missing a few studs. As much as studs cost, I could buy another tire. Other than that, they've been wearing pretty good. And yeah, we might get that foot of snow they promised us tonight. Because it ain't been going that long. Probably got about a ½ inch going here already. It's only been an hour or so. Almost need to break out the eyewear. Ice crystals are like stinging the eyeball. That's a pretty good collection of floats there. If you picked up my Milwaukee cordless tool belt, heat gun, and tote, please call. Just have a funny feeling they're not gonna call. Here we are, relaxing. Sometime after the witching hour. Rather. Cars on the highway. But yeah, what do we got today? Ooh, Voodoo Ranger, Imperial IPA, New Belgium, 9%. Holy moly. And yeah, we're having a blizzard-like condition. The wind sure did pick up. And it's sticking pretty good. Yeah, let's crack open the Voodoo Ranger. Anything spectacular on it to say? Nah, just a warning, don't drink if you're knocked up or driving or operating heavy stuff. And there's nothing heavy going on here. Just snow. Not too bad. It's not overly fruity. At all. Not real dry. So it's got kind of a lingering malt to it. Guess it's alright. It'll pass on a night like tonight. My camp gloves are pretty soaked here. The duck is really slacking, man. You know, it's hard to get good help nowadays. Especially when you're a duck. But yeah, we're supposed to get like a whole foot of snow here tonight. Which is gonna warrant shoveling. I hope I ain't got, I hope I ain't gotta go nowhere this week. It's, there we go. Damn, it's piling up on me here. Sideways. I love sideways snow. Women. Can't live with them. Can't bury them in the backyard. Yep. Are you warm and dry? How long you staying out? I'm worried. You got your content. I got my content. You're watching it. Manly mans. Though the lights bring all the chicks. Oh shoot. I told her it was a manly man channel. You know. She thinks I should go look at Christmas lights. That's not manly man stuff. If we're not cold and miserable, we're not having fun. That's all there is to it. Oh, damn. Well, guess it's a sip for Poseidon. Damn. I might have another one in the bag. I don't think so though. I might actually be out of beer. It's game over, man. We're in some pretty shit now. Got the sluggish finger thing going on. Still coming down pretty good. Well, guess we'll pack her up. That's kind of lame. Game over, man. We're in some pretty shit now. Packable. Guess I'll pack it up. Before the old lady freaks out. I don't know. Welcome to the Alaska Triangle. Well, shit. That's some slippery shit. That's way down there. Yeah, I fell on my ass a few times so far. My shin is like, might be bleeding, I don't know. Hard to say. We still make this look good. Damn straight.